Table number 8. It says Daniel is simplifying a trigonometric expression. Find the identity he uses in each step to simplify the expression. I got a little typo there. That should not be there. Find the identity he uses in each step to simplify the expression. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at this original and then down one. What do you see has changed looking from here to here? Is it the numerator, the denominator, or both? The numerator. So what you want to know is what identity do we use here from going from here to here? What identity, or if it's algebra, say algebra. What's changed going from tangent squared plus 1 to secant squared? Is that basic thinking in terms of spot oil? Is that basic simplification? Did I combine like terms or did I cancel anything? It's not that. Is it Pythagorean? Yes, that's Pythagorean. So step 1 would be Pythagorean's the correct answer here, Pythag. Okay, now looking from step 1 to step 2. What has changed? Numerator, denominator, or both? Just the denominator. We go 1 minus secant squared to a cosine squared. Did I simplify? Did I combine two things that are combined like terms here to get this? Did I cancel things to get this? No. What did I do? Transform's a good thought, but I didn't actually transform. I got 1 and a squared. That's Pythagorean. 1s and squares are Pythagorean. That's 1s and squares. Anytime you do that, that's Pythagorean identity. Okay, now let's look. I went from secant squared divided by cosine squared to 1 over cosine to the 4th. Looks like I have a little of both occurring, but for the most part, it's the numerator. The numerator is going, it's being moved. I can tell because originally I only have 2 functions in the denominator. Now I have 4. So notice it went from 2 to 4, so it grew. I moved a secant squared to the denominator. What's it called when you move a secant to a denominator? Where are those formulas? Let me look for them. When a secant gets moved to the denominator, it's called a reciprocal. That would be a reciprocal step. And then finally, 1 over cosine to the 4th power becomes secant to the 4th power. That's also reciprocal. We have 2 reciprocals in a row. That would be called a reciprocal as well. And that would be the answer. So now I want to let you try DOL number 8. Let you work through and see what you can come up with here.